Welcome to another great product. We have road trap. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here is the pickup knob and special bait formula right there. And this is super sticky glue bait included. It has 10 traps. Here are the directions. Targets: German roaches, American roaches, brown banded roaches, oriental roaches, other common roaches. These are the areas you can place it. These are the areas here are the areas you can place them. Let's see what we have inside. We have 10 of them, 5 and 5. These are the baits. Let's open one of them and see. There you go. Let's check one of them. There's the back side. We have everything what we need. This is the bait. Let's open it. Whenever you open it, you're gonna smell it. Basically, roaches are gonna smell and come inside this box. There you go. Let's take out the glue cover. And we're gonna insert the bait right in the middle. Like that. We will fold it inward like that. And then for this area, inward again. And they're gonna fold down inside whenever they come. Like that. Fold inward. Then there are 2 levels. One is high. There you go. And the next level is low. Sometimes you need to put it under the refrigerator and you need low areas. If you want to put it under the couch, you need high level like that. Let's see high and low level. There you go. Left side high, right side low. We have the baits in the middle. For example, this is my couch and I'm gonna place this under that like that. Let's go to the refrigerator. High one, it's not gonna go under that. It's very hard, but low one, it can go very easily, like that. I can definitely suggest this product because we have 2 levels, one high, one low, and we have the baits in the middle, and the glue is awesome. Whenever you're done, there is pickup knob. Just pick it up and throw it away. This is the high level. And we have 10 of them inside one package.